All right, boys. I've been working a lot, getting off late. All right, but anyways, if you're watching this, appreciate it. Anyways, we're gonna start this video off with a little cold start on the Trans Am. Hopefully, we got something cool planned for today. Anyways, I'm gonna show y'all what I installed on the car, and then we're about to go do something, and I'll pick back up right now when I get better lighting. We'll go to Hector's house, turbo truck, and see what's up. All right, boys, so we're here at racetrack. I'm getting fuel. I need to fuel up. And this one calls me out, right? Look at his tires. They're wrinkly, and we're just driving around right here. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I have installed. A little two-step. I'm gonna go ahead and I have it set up for road racing right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and turn it down. Get it turned down. Maybe I can launch a little bit. And we have some pimp juice that we're gonna try out. But I'll record that when he gives it to me. All right, boys. Oh yeah, have I recorded this already? We're trying this little pimp juice. It's little because it's like little. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try that up. Try that. Hopefully it helps the tires hook. I don't think so, but we're gonna try. I mean, I need a video.
That bitch ain't done, dog.
The Escalade's running. It's now his, right?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, he's gonna turbo it too.
Fuck money.
Nah, wait, not really.
No?
Honestly, no.
We got the Crocs today. We Crocs, you didn't rock it, baby.
This way! No hooky. I beat your burnout. Put it in drive this time though, dude. Okay, cool.
Alright, come forward. Come forward. Right there, right there.
it. It's all right. It's all right. I think I can flip it.
Yeah.
Anyways, that was a full run. Alright boys, so I just put the two-step on and I thought I had it cleared right, but I don't know if you can see down there where like the manifold looks shiny. It was melting the wires. And luckily it just got to the, what's it called? The what? The wire loom. So luckily I caught that right now. Luckily Rodrigo was like, let's open the hood. Like for what, dude? Anyways, caught that. Thank God he did. If not, I'd be out. Two-step. But yeah, did you see me win? I know y'all see me win. Well, if y'all didn't see me win, I won. But yeah, it's a bare street. He can't hook, I can't hook. You can see our marks. Yeah, it's cold. Like, wait, and after, just go to your house. I'll give him a ride. Almost, a little better. Woo. All right boys, so not too much of a successful night, as we both spun. I don't know, we just spun a lot. I mean, I wasn't expecting to hook up on these tires. As you can see, they're pretty bald and they're smaller than stock size. So I was just testing just to go with him. But yeah, I'm really hoping to get some drag radios, I guess, some 15s, a drag pack. Basically, that's what I want to get already. So I'm hoping to make that happen soon-ish, if I can. That maybe I can use my two-step more. I had it set up at 2700, and I think in the video, maybe we'll see. You can see it spinning a little bit. I'm not too sure, but we'll see how it goes. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching. I know it's just a little crappy video, but that's all I could get this week, and I really need to put a video out. So I'm gonna edit it right now, get it uploaded for tomorrow. That look kind of scary, but yeah, appreciate you watching. If you made it this far, heck yeah, appreciate it. Thank you. Hopefully next week we can set something up, something cooler. Maybe go to the track or something, take the car, see what it runs. Hopefully it runs like 7 or something, but we shall see. And peace. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything, dog.